Hi, Ms. Hamshika Rastogi. Thank you for joining us in our career series video interviews. So, मैं DSU की तरफ से आपका वेलकम करती हूँ and I thank you for taking out time to sit with us and have a chat about the business process management course and the scope of the industry. So I'd like to request you to give a short brief introduction. आपके बारे में, आप कहाँ से हैं, आपने पढ़ाई कैसे कहाँ की है, फिर आपने उसके बाद पढ़ाई करते हुए आपकी हॉबीज वगैरह क्या रही हैं?
Hi, thank you for having me. I am Himshikha and I have been born and raised in Kanpur. I did my schooling in Kanpur. And then for college, I went to Symbiosis Center for Management Studies in Noida. I did my BBA from there, which is Bachelor's of Business Administration. And then I landed a job in the BPO sector. It was for a US-based financial company. Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
So we want to know हमारे students के लिए कि what does work look like in this industry? What is it that you did in your first job, and what kind of work was it? Did you like it? Tell us some insights.
Yeah, I enjoyed my work thoroughly. I aspired to be in the BPO sector for a long time. So, I looked at the companies that were coming to my college for recruitment and I analyzed their job descriptions. And and I chose the companies according to my strengths. Like I chose the company which aligned with my strengths. So what I did was we fixed customers' problems. So they called us with the problem if they're having a problem with our product or the service that we're offering, and we fixed their problems. We listened to them. We listened and understood what they're trying to say, and then we gave a customized solution for their problem particular. We had a tailor-made solution for every problem that came our way. So it was very exciting to work in that.
It sounds like you were responsible to make a customer happy on behalf of your company. So
Yeah,
all the
exactly.
responsibility on you.
Yeah, kind of. The company's reputation lied in our hands.
Yes, absolutely. So one quick question that I want to ask here is, what is the one thing that you feel has helped you the most while representing your company?
Yeah. I think my communication skills. I have always been a people person. I love making new friends, talking to different people, their ideas, getting to know their ideas, and sharing my ideas with them. So this trait helped me a lot in this industry. It gave me a lot of confidence to talk to people over the phone because we're not interacting with them face to face, so they cannot see our expressions. So we had to we had to give them a solution on the phone with the right expressions. You will have to. People know when you are smiling on the phone. So yeah.
And smile on the phone and give a positive, like be positive while responding to each and every customer throughout the day, like giving them
Right.
all a good experience.
Yeah.
Okay. That sounds really difficult if you're not a people person, I feel.
Right. It's a very important trait in this.
प्लस मतलब जैसे हम अगर किसी से बात भी कर रहे होते हैं या हम किसी को if I don't know about the product too well myself, then I cannot help them with the answer. So I think it also involved कि मेरे को अपने product के बारे में पता हो.
You have to know about the company, what products and services that they're providing, and what are the subcategories in the products. You have to know कि कहाँ पर क्या problem आ सकती है in which service you're providing, and then know कि how can you fix that. So a thorough knowledge of the product and the company helps a lot. It goes a long way.
So you were working as a customer service associate.
Right.
What do you think has helped, how this entire experience of yours has helped you grow personally?
So I'll say one thing, that the biggest role that you will have And the biggest impact that it will have on your life is that you will become a problem solver. You will know how to look at a problem, and then you will know which areas to focus on, and then get a solution out of it. So it will help you a long way in life. That's the first. The second is my communication skills have improved thoroughly. Um, the third is active listening. Um, you cannot just respond to a customer and do some other work while not listening to what they're saying, because every problem that everything that they say is very different. So active listening is one. You understand what they're saying. You and side by side you will have to also side by side you will have to provide a solution. Think of the answer also, because you cannot stall them. They're also waiting for an answer, and they're also waiting for someone to fix their problem. I mean, they don't have all day. So yeah, to
Quick
understand what they're
thinking.
saying. Yeah, to understand what they're saying, and then giving them a solution for that. Yeah, you have to think on your feet and give you the answer on on your feet.
You have to be really responsive. You
Yeah, you
cannot
will have to be prompt.
just stretch it. Yes,
Right.
that's great. I think it's a really important soft skill as well. And all these 21st, these are the 21st centuries that we call them now. Okay,
Right.
हमें critical thinking आनी चाहिए. We should be quick on our feet. We're
Right.
good at communication, because I think communication is at the heart of any industry, right? You'll have to
Exactly.
be
Exactly.
good at interacting with people. It's also more about कि आप किसी भी इंडस्ट्री में जा रहे हैं, उस वर्क स्पेस में आपको एडजस्ट होने में भी, इफ यू एडजस्ट वेल यू परफॉर्म बेटर. सो कम्युनिकेशन
Right.
विल हेल्प.
Yeah, if you know your environment well, then you're also comfortable in that, and so you can focus on your performance. Give your best.
One last question from our side is, what do you want to suggest to the parents and the students जो कि
Mhm.
बीपीएम कोर्स या बीपीएम इंडस्ट्री में अपना करियर बनाना चाहते हैं?
I would say that you need to focus on your curriculum. That is the first and foremost thing, because this course is designed for this particular industry, right? You will develop hard skills as well as soft skills, which will help you gain a better perspective of the environment, and it will also help you get a better perspective of the industry as well, which you're going to work in. So focus on your curriculum, and also focus on your extracurricular activities, because that will help you develop soft skills um, like actively. It will help you develop the soft skills actively. And so soft skills, cannot be developed by reading something that you read something and yeah, it is imbibed in you. It cannot happen like that. You have to
Right.
go out, you have to experience, talk to people, and yeah, so develop hobbies, and focus on your extracurricular activities, and also on the curriculum that this course will be providing you. Yeah.
Uh,
So all the best for this exciting journey that you will be beginning.
I think this would be really helpful for the students. जो भी बच्चे बीपीएम के बारे में सोच रहे हैं कि इंडस्ट्री में काम करना चाहते हैं, तो आई थिंक they'll benefit from this a lot. Thank you for giving us your time. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.